Hey, sweetness. Oh, very sleepy. Very sleepy Hoover. Oh, big stretches. Hey everybody, it's Brittany at Big Cat Rescue in Tampa, Florida, and I'm just checking in with Hoover. Good morning, Sarah. Hi, Barb. Hi, Laura. Hey, Linda. Just checking in with Hoovie. He's very sleepy. He is currently in our hospital recovery cage. If you saw on Monday, he was seen by Dr. Justin for an ingrown dew claw, and came to find out that he needed all of his nails trimmed pretty badly. And because a few of them were pretty deep, we wanted to keep him out of the dirt, so he's just getting his meds and eating well and hanging out in the recovery cage. I'm not sure how many more days he'll be in here, but he's actually doing really well. I'm very sleepy. He took all of his meds this morning. He's been eating good. We laugh because he can't get far enough away from us to ignore us for food, so he's actually eating pretty good. Also on Monday, when he was seen by Dr. Justin, they did a little bit of a skin scrape to see if there's a reason why he's got some thinning hair in some places. And a lot of you that watch him regularly on our Explore camera had noticed that he had like a red dot. It was almost like a red skin tag. It was very three-dimensional, about dime sized, and Dr. Justin removed that to biopsy that, see what's going on with that. So overall he's doing pretty good. He just had some ouchies on his foot and his tongue. He's on some medication to help with any pain that he might have had, so he's pretty sleepy. Yeah, I've been calling him Hoovie Doo for for a while now, and we all have so many nicknames for the cats, but for some reason I just thought of the Scooby-Doo theme song one day and have been calling him Hoovie Doo ever since. Well, we're not sure what the red spot is, which is why it was removed, and we're gonna hopefully find out. Big stretches. He's like, go away, lady, I'm sleeping. But the red spot was actually there pretty much the whole time that he licks the posts on his platforms. He's done it in every enclosure he's been in. So I don't know if it's because of that spot or what caused that spot. We don't know yet. Tests aren't clear usually overnight. You guys missed it. Myself and Kitten Karma went into the danger zone of the Kitten Cabana this morning and did a live from in there. And you can watch, we have 12 kittens in the Kitten Cabana if you go to bigcatcams.com and choose the Kitten Cabana. Yeah, I know everybody was worried about Hoover. Monday was a very sad and hectic day, and I certainly didn't want anyone to worry too much about him. He's just the sweetest boy. I came to the very sad realization on Monday that Hoover's our only male tiger. And he's awfully special to the whole world, let alone its keepers. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew he was doing well. So this will just be a quick check-in. He's clearly not that interested in us being here, so this will be your little Hoover moment of zen. And I will try to get back into my regular morning walkabout tomorrow. Yes, for any of you that watch our Explore cameras, we're expecting high winds today and off and on kind of rainy weather blowing through, so anytime that our weather is predicting high winds, we lock all of the cats with open air sections into roof sections. So Amanda, Nikita, all of them will be moved into roof sections today because of high wind. So there's our sweet boy. Again, this is Hoover Tiger. He saw Dr. Justin on Monday, and he is in our hospital recovery cage. He's doing very well. The last update that I had heard for the 3 male tigers coming from Guatemala might be April or May, but there's no definite answer on that. This process can take a really long time. It took well over a year to get Hoover here from Peru. Alright everybody, well thank you guys very much for loving and caring these cats as much as we do. Hoover moment of Zen. If you came in late, any information that I have already talked about, you can rewatch this if you go to facebook.com/wildcatwalkabout. Alright, Hoovie. We all love you, bud. You gotta heal fast. He's like, just go away so I can sleep. Just go away, lady. So many stretches. Alright, well that was cuteness overload this morning, so I hope you all have a great day.